Alright, I wanted to show you the little bird on the limb. Now I added a little snow to it, give it a little character. And let me turn to the side here. It's a nice little project. I used a little brown and gray for the tree limb and all that stuff for the tree itself. And as I said, I had a little snow, and I put a little snow on the limb and all the other stuff to make it kind of have a look. We go like that. I glued him onto the limb. So there's our little project, the little bird on the limb, tree limb. And it's a nice little project. It's not a difficult project. It's kind of a close quarters project a little bit, but it's not difficult. And so that's our little project for today. And God bless you now, and carve safely.